Hello students, today we will study important formulas of queuing theory. In my previous video, I had given the introduction of queuing theory. This theory is about the problems related to waiting line, queue, arrival rates and how we can satisfy our customers by minimizing the cost of the service. Today we will go through important formulas. So let's start with the first formula. Average number of arrival per hour. This means average number of customers who are arriving in the system is denoted by lambda, that is called arrival rate. Lambda is equals to number of machine divided by number of working hours. In this way you can calculate lambda. Mu represents service rate. In most of the question, mu will be given directly. That is the service rate. The rate at which the service is given to the customer. So the second formula is utilization ratio. It is denoted by P. P is equals to lambda by mu. Lambda is arrival rate, mu is service rate. Third, what is the probability that the system will remain ideal? Means there will be no customers. So it is denoted by P0. P0 is equals to 1 minus lambda divided by mu. Next, probability that there are n units at any point of time t. It means at any time what is the number of customers that are present in the system. It is denoted by Pn. Pn is equals to 1 minus lambda by mu, bracket close, now bracket open, lambda by mu divide whole to the power n. What is n? N is the number of units or number of the customer at any point of time. Next, expected number of customers in the queue. It means how many customers are there in the queue. So it is represented by ENQ. That is equals to lambda square divided by mu divide bracket mu minus lambda. Next, what is the average waiting time in the queue? It means how much time the customer has to wait in the queue. It is represented by EWQ is equals to lambda divided by mu bracket mu minus lambda. Sorry. Next, expected number of customers in the system. It is represented by EN. EN is equals to lambda divided by mu minus lambda. It means expected number of customers which can be found in the system. Average waiting time of the customer in the system is denoted by EWS. That is equals to 1 divided by mu minus lambda. Next, what is the probability that the queue size is greater than or equal to k? What is the k? K is the exact number. It means, for example, in the question, they can ask like, what is the probability that the queue size is greater than or equal to 5? So what will you put here? We'll put in the power 5. It is equals to lambda divided by mu whole to the power k. But if they are asking that what is the probability that the queue size is greater than k, then the formula will be k plus 1. Here it is greater than or equal to k, but here it is only greater than k. So you have to be very careful while studying, while noting the question, that what they are asking and what is given in the question. I hope you will be able to learn these formula. These are the important formulas. You have to learn each and every formula so that you can easily solve the question. Thank you so much. Kindly like, subscribe and share my videos so that the students who are staying at home in this pandemic COVID-19, they can study well and their time will be utilized. Thank you so much.